All right. To the nearest millimeter, a cell phone is 111 millimeters long and 45 millimeters wide. What's the ratio of the width to the length? See how they said wide second and long first, but then they said width to length? So it's 45 over 111. Okay. On your calculators, if you put 45 over 111 and press E as a fraction and press equals, does that reduce down? No. Yes, it does. What does it reduce to? 15 over 37. So you want to reduce where you can. Okay? You want to reduce where you can. Okay, a baseball team played 147 games. They won, the number of games they won to lost is a 5-to-2 ratio. So 5x plus 2x equals 147. Okay? Because we don't know how many games they played, so that's x. So 5 times 2, or 5 plus 2 is 7x equals 147, and divide by 7. So x equals 21. So if you put the 21 back in for each of these, 5 times 21 is the number of games they won, which is 105. 2 times 21 is the number of games they lost, which is 42. See how they add to 147. Okay. Lengths of sides of a triangle. So 7x plus 8x plus 9x equals 96. So you just put an x behind them and solve. 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24x equals 96. Divide by 24. X equals 4. So you stick the 4 in for each x. So you get 28, 32, and 36 are the lengths of the sides. Write a ratio of BC over AC. BC is 3 long. AC goes from -4 up to 6. So AC is 10 long. So it's just simply 3 over 10. You stop right there. Now, if it would be 5 over 10, what would you do? Reduce it down to 1/2. Area of a rectangle. Area is length times width. Okay? The length and width are in a ratio of 4 to 3. So you put x's behind them. So 4x plus times 3x equals 588. What's 4 times 3? So 12x squared equals 588. So if you take 588 divided by 12, what do you get? X squared equals 49. If you take the square root, x equals 7. So you stick the 7 in for each of the x's. So the length is 28 and the width is 21. And if you take 28 times 21, I bet you get 588. Okay, solving proportions, cross multiply. 4x equals 16 times 3 is 48, and divide by 4. X equals 12. Cross multiply. 5x equals 40, so x equals 8. Cross multiply. 20x equals 18 times 70, which is 1260, and divide by 20. And it is 63, right? Okay, so those are the 8 problems you'll do on your first assignment. Okay, in 20 minutes, I'll teach about the second assignment.